take this little punch I'm using to keep it where I need it so I don't have to fidget with it a lot. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to form this little piece right here so that it more or less locks this in place. Push this all the way over. And this little thing here, just kind of bend that up. So what I want to do is I want to get rid of that gap. Okay, the gap is gone. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Alright, and so now whenever you type, those won't flop everywhere, and also there's still just a tiny little space right here you can pull the ribbon through to get it in.